Hey everyone, Professor Michael Scanlon here. Welcome to your favorite science show, the one where you can do stuff at home, but you have to question if you really should. So, today's experiment deals with dissolving a Coke can. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need a beverage of some sort, an aluminum can. You're going to need some sandpaper. You're going to need a strong base or a strong acid. It's going to be easier for you to get your hands on a strong base than it will a strong acid. Something to suspend the can in the acid, or sorry, in the base, and then time, a good bit of time. Now, I will start off by saying I grabbed the wrong drain cleaner, so it didn't work the first time for me. Drain cleaner will work. You just have to give it time, plenty of time. The thing is, it needs to have sodium hydroxide in it, and the one that I grabbed did not have enough. So it didn't really work, so I switched. I cheated. I went to a strong acid, diluted it, and it still took a long time. So please be patient with this, but I promise you it's worth it. So I scrubbed, sanded the label off of a can of Dr. Pepper. Can I see a brand name on here? I'm doing it anyway. And that's just to expose the aluminum surface underneath. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, but do the best that you can. And then I suspended. I popped the top off of it so I could get the tab up, and so that there was a vent in case any pressure built up. I suspended it. I used a glass rod, use a wooden dowel, whatever you happen to have on hand, and just let it sit in this. In this case, this is an acid. However, like I said, you can use a base, okay, and that's probably what you'll use anyway. I suspended it and just let it sit. Now, I'm going to take it out of here because I checked and enough time has passed. Being very careful with it. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick wash off so that I can handle it a little bit comfortably for me. And then I want to show you what happened with that. So the aluminum dissolved and left the thin plastic layer that exists between the can and your drink. You're not actually drinking out of anything metal. The outside is metal, but there's a thin plastic layer on the inside to protect the acid, very thin, to protect the acid in your drink from eating through the can. So if you're going to do this, number one, safety first, and number two, be prepared for a potential mess. All right, everyone, science is messy. You're not going to get any perfect demonstrations here with me. I'm not rehearsing these things, well, maybe a little bit, but not to the degree that you would normally see on a broadcast show. You're getting the real life thing where we make messes, we make mistakes, we mess it up, and that's how we do real science. Until next time, everybody, stay safe. See you later.